you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Minecraft, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow this easy guide to get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Minecraft completely and reopen it. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix temporary glitches that cause the loading screen to freeze. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Disconnect and reconnect to your Wi-Fi or restart your router to improve connectivity, especially if you're playing online. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Make sure you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Allocate more RAM. Increase the amount of RAM allocated to Minecraft. Open the Minecraft launcher, go to Installations, select your profile, and adjust the JVM arguments to allocate more memory, which can help with the loading issues. Step 5. Disable mods and resource packs. If you are using mods or resource packs, try disabling them temporarily. Some mods may not be compatible with the current version of Minecraft, causing loading problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue and enjoy your Minecraft experience. If problems persist, consider seeking help from Minecraft support forums or communities.